In this video, I'm going over your problem 1 in the independent practice station, okay? And it's a pretty straightforward factoring question, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to start by seeing that there are 4 terms, and I'm going to say, hey, 4 terms, I'm going to try and group these up. So from the first group, I'm going to take out 16x squared. So we're going to end up with 16x squared, x plus 4. And then from the second group, I'm going to take out -1 to get x plus 4. Now, from here, we get 16x squared minus 1 and x plus 4. Okay, now this is a great start for us, but this piece will break down again using our difference of squares. Okay, so it's going to break down and it's going to be 4x plus 1, 4x minus 1, and then don't forget to keep the other x plus 4 that you already had. Okay, so after you break it down once using grouping, make sure that you are checking that squared piece that it breaks down again.